Rodney photography. Rodney photography. Yeah. Right. Big. Now, this person, hold on. Let me just show you. Oh, I can't because it's got my postcode on. But they paid £9.69 postage. They paid £9.69 postage. But the thing off eBay was only £12. So to pay almost £10 postage for a £12 item, that is madness. But that's how expensive posting things on eBay is these days. So, again, it's using my trusty knife. Lover, Rodney, photography. Ah, can't find my scissors. Right, so move this down so you can see. There you go. Okay, so the MR Matt Rodney photography competition starts the 1st of Jan. So make sure. Bloody hell. That's it. Make sure you like and subscribe. What on earth have they used to pack this? They have used some serious material to pack this. There we go. Finally. Woo! Right. Let's get that off. So, in terms of packing, they've done a great job. I mean, I don't know where they posted it from because they paid a fortune in postage. Is that just paper or bags? Right, done. Box. More packaging. So they've done a great job packaging. 1, 2, 3. More bags. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cuts off. Right. More pink bags. More pink bags. More pink bags. Right, okay, so we are getting ready for the big competition. So, straight off, got a flash gun. 4 AA's. Batteries goes in there. Right, this is the camera. Right, so let's have a look. Is the batteries in there? There is. Okay, so let's see if they're working. Where's on? Okay, the Vectis, this is the S-1. Oh, it's the S-1? So I thought it was the S-100. Oh, okay. Right, so they're brown bread, or they're the wrong way around. Right, 2. Right, okay, so I have some of them. Oops. Rodney photography. Rodney photography. There we go. It works. Yep, and there's film in there. 23 shots. Right. So we got, roll of film. Look at that. So you get a roll of film. 1. We got a filter. Or I think that's just, now that's just the case. The filter's not in there. Same, another filter case. So let's put them there, out the way. The remote control, RC3, which isn't there. I think he's just put everything in, look. Because a Fine Picks book. S5000. The book. And that's not the camera that's in there. So that's funny. Oh. Got a Camlink battery. Not sure what that's for. But there's the... And another one. 2. We've got a cable of some description. Oh, that's just the USB cable. Right, so that can go there. Right, so let's have a look. So it's the lens. Clicks on. Snaps into action. Let's have a look. Doesn't seem very clear, but then again, is the lens clear? Let's have a look. Look again. I don't think it has optics. I think, oh, 2 rolls of film. Oh, it's just an empty box. So there's a film in there, That's just the empty box. This must be the film that's in there. So, however, there's an eyepiece missing, which makes it quite uncomfortable to put against your eye. Right, let's zoom in. How do you zoom on this? Ah! Whoa. Nah, it's not having it. Right, so something's up there. Ah! It's there. You see? Right, let's try again. Right, so let's zoom in. Right, now it's use the adjust. However you do it. How do you do it? I don't know, I need to work it out, don't I? You push it in, you pull it out. I don't know, but let's turn it off anyway. Just to make sure. Right, okay, so the battery. So it does work. We need to look at the instructions. So let's put that on for now. Okay, so what else is in here? So we got a USB, same one. Okay, it's good. We got a lens, which is the 28 to 56. We got we got a set of headphones in here. That's interesting. Put that in the bag. Put that over there. Now, it's not the same Minolta. It definitely can't be that so what lens is this? 80 to 240. So we've got 80 to 240. So what are these for then? What on earth are these batteries for? Something's broke. Oh! Gutted. Oh no. That's the eyepiece. See? The eyepiece was broken. I knew there was an eyepiece. Oh gosh. Oh well. Let's put that there. Another battery for Panasonic. Right, let's have a look. And then we've got Maxim program, the flash, the V lenses. We've got all the information. This goes over the flash like that. Somehow. I think it slides on. That's it, slides on. Something like that anyway. There you go, like that. Good. What else we got? Is this the book? What's this? Better 35mm Kodak. I think they've just put everything in here. And that's the flash gun. But where's the book? A guide to Minolta SLR system. Creative photography. That's going to be worth a read. Vivitar book. Still nothing on the camera itself. The lenses, Club Minolta, which I love all this type of stuff, but no instructions on the camera. Okay. But so interesting that they put an empty roll of film in. But I'm gutted that the bloody thing broke. But he did say not working, didn't he? So, okay, good. I mean, cost the tenner. But it's such a shame that this is broke. Which way around does it go? It's like a jigsaw piece, isn't it? Nah, that's proper goose, that is. Where is it? Yeah, that's... See, it goes on here. That bit goes there. Oh, some bit's fallen off. So that bit goes there. This bit goes there. See? So what I could do is probably glue it on. This bit goes underneath somewhere. And there's probably some other bits in there. See, that bit will go... Oh, yeah, look, see where it says Minolta? Right. See, it says Minolta there. So that'll go there like that. But it's obviously broke. That'll go there. And then this will go there. That goes in between. So it needs gluing and fixing. Let's keep that together. And there's just that little bit of chunk there just missing. That's a shame. That's a shame. But also need to work out how to change. Ah, just did it. Right, so let's try it again. On. Take the lens cap off. Try it again. I've literally just done it. To do it with when it's at your eye. Whereas I've literally just done it when it wasn't. Ah, there we go. Did you hear those clicks? Oh, that's too far, so it's the other way. Bloody hell. That's too far. So let's go this way. Zoom in a bit. Right, now let's get it in focus. Come on, why is it not working? Ah, there we go. One more click. Perfect. Perfect. That works. So, need to just glue the eyepiece and we're in good condition. So, there we go. The Minolta Vectis S-1. Mid-roll change. There's 23 exposures on there. So I just need to glue that. I need to find a way of gluing it and clamping it. Listen, like and subscribe, guys. Competition starting 1st of Jan. Get your entries in now. See you later. Bye.